100 likes within the next 48 hours, we're going to do burnouts in this thing. And we are going to get some awesome footage of it.
Hello, welcome back to the vlog. This is vlog 2. And today, we're going to take you guys with the Lamborghini as we promised. We have a few lights, more than expectation. So let's go. Now we're going to start up the car, so enjoy it.
That's loud. Murcielago life, you forget which side the seatbelt's on. Seatbelts are in the middle, guys. Oh my god.
Always forget.
Yeah.
Next to me is my friend Erhan. He's my cameraman for the day and every day.
Guys, I just want to say, so obviously Ken's pretty new to vlogging and I think he's doing a very good job as well. So good on you, Ken. But basically this channel is going to be about adventuring and all that sort of stuff, and it's going to be quite fun. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some cinematic shots with the Lamborghini. We'll take up the drone. I think it's going to look really, really awesome with the scenery. And the car's quite quick. And yeah, so that's going to be quite fun. In the previous video, we got 5 likes. So I got to say, that's a good effort. And
we got more than 5. Way more than 5.
Way more than 5.
Yes.
We got a ton of likes. And yeah, guys, thanks for the support. Stick around. Also, if you do have any suggestions in the comments you'd like to see what we're going to do, it's still a new channel, guys. So the channel's going to shape into something. You know what I mean? We don't know where the channel's going just yet. But whatever we do, it's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. And you guys are here to experience it first.
So I bought this car on April 2019. And when I bought the car, it's fully stock. It's a 2005 Murcielago Lamborghini V12 manual gated shift with rear-wheel drivetrain. So this car has been converted to a rear-wheel drive, and the car has been done a full SV LP670 body kit, and it's all done by the Body Kit Kingdom in Cooper's Plain. The rear-wheel drive conversion, the reason behind it is this car used to be four-wheel drive, so it's very heavy to drive and the traction is making the car very clunky. So what many people doing for this car is they take off the front chassis, the drivetrain, and they are 75 to 80 kilos lighter than normal. So the car will feel very, very lightweight.
You need bloody wide wheels for this car, that's for sure.
Yes, I changed the wheel to RS3 forged wheel, 3-piece with 3, 4, 5 on the rear. And although the tire is very big, very wide, but you still have to be careful.
So guys, if you want to see the Lamborghini Gallardo, how many likes, Ken? How many likes? How many likes?
You tell me.
12 likes. 12 likes.
Okay, let's
if
do
this video gets 12 likes.
Okay, let's do this. If we have 12, we go one more episode.
One more.
One more episode.
If we don't get 12, we're never uploading again.
Let's see how we go.
Come on, guys, we gotta get the 12 likes. Oh gosh. Let's show the viewers this car in cinematic form.
Voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my
You got it in, yeah, you got it in Sydney. That's
I
right.
bought this car in Sydney. Right, that's
Yeah.
right. And your brother live in Sydney. He picked me up at the airport. And he take me to pick up this car.
I remember that actually. I do
And-
remember that.
And guess what? Then after that, I drive this car back from Sydney.
That would have been so awesome. You almost convinced my brother to get a Lamborghini.
Yes, he should.
Almost convinced him.
He should get one. He should get one. Tell him to get one.
Tell him to
He will
get
like it.
I think he's going to get one eventually, but like you almost convinced him to sell his Mustang and just get one. I don't think my brother would ever have a YouTube channel. He's not that type of. But then again, you don't know because I remember. Okay, so I'm a YouTuber as well, guys. Not a big one or anything like that, but I'm a YouTuber as well. And when I was doing some vlogs on a different channel, I try and record Ken, and Ken would be like, no, put the camera away. But
Yes, I remember
look
that.
at you now.
Yes.
Look at you now.
2020. I challenging myself doing out of my comfort zone.
No, that's impressive. So some of you guys would, I assume some of you guys know Ken quite well, and if you do, you'd know him to be the type of person that, you know, doesn't like the camera or didn't like the camera. No, look, man, it's really impressive. Ken said 911.
Alrighty, guys, thanks a lot.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay,
And
have
have
a
a
good
good
one.
year.
Subscribe to the channel.
Already did.
I'm following on Instagram.
Nice. Have a good one, guys. Happy New Year.
See you guys.
Beautiful car. You don't see many Murcielago SVs in Australia, let alone Brisbane and that kind of area. So it's a beautiful car. You just don't see those every day. It took like a whole year before I saw a single one. And then you came along with this car. It's just amazing.
Ken, get off your phone.
Yo. Alright, guys.
Have a good one.
See ya. You're going to Cars and
Yeah,
Coffee
nice
this
meeting
week?
Is that one this week?
Yes.
Send me a link.
Send you a
Yep.
link.
Yeah, I will
Oh,
do
yeah.
that.
Sweet. Well,
Oh,
see you
guys.
guys later.
See you later. So guys, what do you want to see in the next video? I mean, we've got ideas and all that, so that's not an issue, but do you want to see us do anything in particular? Because we'll probably do it.
Leave a comment.
Leave a comment. What can we do if this video gets 100 likes? What's something crazy we can do?
Shoot some flames.
No, because that's not crazy enough. What can we offer? 100 likes is a lot
Go
of.
burn out.
So if this video gets
100 lights.
100 likes, what are we gonna do, Ken? Burnout! I think that'll be pretty cool. I mean, let's face it, a V12 doing burnouts, I mean, why wouldn't you want to see it? Well, yeah, 100 likes within the next, 48 hours?
Yeah.
100 likes within the next 48 hours, we're gonna do burnouts in this thing, and we are gonna get some awesome footage of it.
Yep. Definitely.
Awesome!
Thank you for watching today. Hope you like it. And thank you for all the support. Remember, if we hit 100 likes, we will do the burnout in the next episode. On the V12 rear-wheel drive.
Has to be within 48 hours.
Yes.
Because-
On the Mercy. On the Mercy.
in the Murcielago, burnouts at 100. But yeah, guys, we'll see you in the next vlog, and it's been fun, and yeah, thanks again for the support, and we'll see you around. If you got any comments or anything, leave them in the suggestions below, or the comments section below, and we'll look at what we can do. See you around. Ken tried to do that. Oh gosh, all right, Ken, do it again.